Good morning. Today is another day, so here we go again. I decided breakfast burritos it is, so come and join me and you can watch along. Every good burrito has bacon. Okay, let's do a tortilla start to finish. We're gonna do a little bit of egg. Some hash brown. 2 pieces of bacon. Ish. Some sausage. And some cheese. Let's mix it all up. And let's take it off the side for a sec. Nice big tortilla. Warm it up for just a sec on one side. Flip it over real quick because you don't want it to get crunchy. So let's get it taken off. Okay, once it's off, let's put it together a little bit. Get some salsa down on it. Some avocado. Then wrap it on up. Hey, so here's the new finished product. Little melted cheese on top. Big, huge breakfast burrito. Now that looks good. Enjoy breakfast.
Oh, that is funny.
It's not our birthday anymore. We're going for a hike.
Yes, and we're
Otter HB. Like and subscribe.
Are you videoing that?
Hold on, can you just get our friends?
I've got mine.
Yeah, she doesn't know. I'm going on the end.
Okay, I'll be on the end.
I'm gonna put my credentials on.
Oh, good idea. Good idea.
What's that?
Cheese.
I love you.
Got
Like and subscribe.
Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to Otter HB. So here we go, doing a little tri-tip as an appetizer. Here you go. How's that look? Oh, can't wait. Here, you want a piece? So we added to the appetizer tray, and now there's more.
so good.
Don't ever think with this group there's a lack of food, because there is not.
We need to breathe.
So we decided all the dogs needed a walk, so here we go.
And the humans, 5 miles wasn't enough uphill. We're gonna do more. So cut in, Bonnie.
So here we go. Bonnie, make it right. Janice.
Well, I can tell Bonnie's got iron problems. Okay, Cindy, don't let I trip you going downstairs.
Don't worry about me.
No, because he will be like, okay, we're all together, but don't yank us down the stairs. I don't want to die. Like and subscribe. Otter HB. Did you get us over?
My loyal fans, if you haven't already subscribed to Otter HB, please subscribe to Otter HB. Give me that thumbs up for the like. It's a great night, guys. Baby girl.
No.
Sweetheart, what'd you get?
And rocks like rain.
Another Cove.
Is that awesome?
Hey everybody, looks like my niece and my nephew came down, so we're really excited. So I've got them in meeting the dog. Here's Andrew and Anna. Say hi.
Hi.
It's two of my favorite viewers. It's awesome.
Andrew and Anna. Hello. Andrew and Anna.
So here we go. Sunset's getting ready to happen. Let's enjoy. Please come along.
Andrew, Kathy, Andrew.
Oh, that's where the Andrews came from. He turned to me and goes, Andrew, right?
Look at that sunset. It's already starting and it's gorgeous.
Jenny, come here for a second.
Yeah. I did just get a new cup, Lisa, from Cindy that looks like yours. Oh, I love it. Is that
Those are
beautiful?
awesome.
Great one.
Yeah, those are great. That's like a teacher's cup. All right.
Let's go. I love Dolly Parton.
Here's for Janine's birthday.
I want one. Okay. Yay! What would Dolly do? That's all.
It's always the question.
Okay, yes. So.
RHB! Hey everybody, remember, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to Otter HB. And if you enjoy the show, make sure you give me a couple thumbs up for the likes. Thanks, guys.
Come on! Fucking bitch gets it! You got it!
Yay!
She's heavy. Oh, she's heavy. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Come on over. Okay.
Happy birthday, dear Janine.
So pretty. I'll give my glasses out for the photo.
Happy birthday.
Make me make a wish. Yay! Thank you, friend.
West Virginia, Bridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is older, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home.
Me too.
Country road. All my memories gathered round her. Miner's later, stranger to blue water. Dark and dusty, painted in the sky. Misty glaze and moonshine, teardrops in my eye. Country road. Take me home to the place I belong. Go now, West Virginia. mama, take me home. Country road. It's the bridge. There he goes. Hear her voice in the morning as she calls me. Radio reminds me of my home far away. Driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday. Take one, honey. Country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, not mama. Take me home, country road. Take me home, country road. Take me home, country road.
Hi everybody, thanks for watching Otter HB. I hope you had a great weekend. We all did. It was a little bit of everything. You know, from some hiking to some cooking and just enjoying time with friends. Janine's birthday, happy birthday Janine. Don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Give me that thumbs up for the like. From there, have a great one. We'll see you on the next show, guys.